Before a mining truck can move thousands of tons, its journey begins with raw steel. Today, you'll witness every real manufacturing stage from start to finish.
Every shipment is inspected before entering production. Only certified structural steel is approved.
Each plate weighs several tons. Every lift is controlled manually for precision.
Every millimeter is verified. Only defect-free steel moves forward. Every plate is digitally tracked. This ensures complete production traceability. Different sections require different steel grades. The build begins with careful material selection.
Every surface is cleaned before fabrication. A flawless finish improves weld quality.
The coating protects steel during manufacturing. Reference marks guide every future cut. Accuracy starts long before cutting. Every line determines the final structure.
The first structural component is ready. Precision cutting begins next.
Extreme heat slices through heavy steel. Every profile matches engineering specifications. The first chassis section takes shape. Scrap is recycled immediately. Every edge is cleaned by hand. This prepares the steel for welding. Every cut must match engineering tolerances. No compromise is accepted. Multiple structural sections are produced together. This improves production efficiency. Heavy components require coordinated handling. Precision continues at every stage. Hand finishing removes every sharp edge. Perfect joints produce stronger welds. Every mounting hole is drilled with high precision. These connections carry enormous loads. Clean holes ensure perfect assembly. Even tiny imperfections are removed. Every component is staged in exact order. Assembly begins only after every piece is ready. Every millimeter is checked before a single weld is made. Alignment now determines the strength of the entire frame.
Tack welds temporarily lock every section in place. Nothing is fully welded until every measurement is confirmed.
The first crossmember connects the chassis structure. Careful positioning prevents future stress.
Heat is carefully controlled during every weld. This minimizes structural distortion.
All right, easy on the hoist. Rotate left just a touch. Got it, holding steady. Lowering now, it's seated.
The frame is still only a skeleton. Thousands of operations remain ahead.
Continuous welds permanently unite the structure. Each bead must penetrate deep into the steel.
Both sides are welded for maximum durability. Balanced welding prevents distortion. Extra reinforcement protects high-load zones. These areas endure tremendous mining forces. Several weld passes create exceptional strength. Each layer is inspected before the next. Clean welds reveal their true quality. Inspection starts immediately after cleaning. Ultrasonic testing detects hidden defects. Only flawless welds move forward. Any imperfection is corrected immediately. Quality always comes before speed. The welded frame passes structural inspection. It is ready for stress relief. Heat treatment removes internal welding stresses. This increases long-term durability.
Controlled heating stabilizes the steel structure. The temperature rises gradually.
Internal stresses slowly disappear. This process protects the frame from future cracking. Controlled cooling is just as important as heating. Rapid cooling could weaken the structure.
The heat-treated frame is cleaned once again. It is now ready for precision machining.
The frame is finally ready for precision machining. Next, every critical mounting surface will be machined to micron-level accuracy.
After welding, precision machining begins. Every mounting surface must be perfectly flat.
Only fractions of a millimeter are removed. This creates perfectly level mounting points. Every machined face is inspected immediately. Accuracy is verified before the next operation.
Critical pivot holes demand extreme precision. These points will carry enormous loads.
Every bore is measured individually. Even microscopic errors are unacceptable. Multiple mounting surfaces are machined in sequence. The frame is becoming production ready. Every machined edge is hand-finished. Clean surfaces improve assembly accuracy. Cleaning removes every trace of machining residue. A perfectly clean surface is essential.
No moisture can remain on the steel. The frame is prepared for protective coating. Critical machined surfaces are protected. They must remain paint-free. Final surface preparation begins. Even fine dust is removed.
The epoxy primer seals the steel. It provides long-term corrosion protection.
Controlled curing hardens the primer. The protective coating bonds to the steel.
Coating thickness is carefully verified. Uniform protection is essential. The finished chassis enters final assembly. Now the truck begins to take shape. The frame becomes the foundation for every future component. Assembly follows a carefully planned sequence.
Every fastener is selected by specification. Even bolts are matched to their exact location.
Proper thread preparation prevents future seizure. Reliability begins with the smallest details.
Every mounting point is cleaned once more. Perfect contact ensures maximum strength.
A final engineering review confirms readiness. Only then does mechanical assembly begin.
The chassis is finally ready for mechanical assembly. In the next stage, the suspension system will be built piece by piece.
The first mechanical component finally meets the chassis. Every movement is guided by skilled technicians.
Each bolt is tightened in a precise sequence. Balanced torque prevents structural stress.
Both mounting points must remain perfectly symmetrical. Precision now protects future suspension alignment.
Alignment is checked before heavier components arrive. Accuracy now saves hours later.
The giant suspension cylinders are prepared by hand. They absorb the extreme forces of mining.
Every movement is slow and controlled. The massive cylinder must align perfectly.
Heavy-duty pivot pins secure the suspension. Proper lubrication ensures decades of service. Both suspension units must work as one. Symmetry is essential for stability. The rear suspension handles even greater loads. Every component undergoes another inspection.
Dual cranes ensure perfect balance. Team coordination is critical. Every joint is checked before moving on. Smooth movement confirms correct assembly.
The first axle now enters the assembly line. Its precision surfaces are carefully protected. The axle connects directly to the suspension. Exact positioning prevents premature wear.
Heavy pivot pins complete the connection. The front axle is now structurally secured.
The rear axle carries the truck's greatest loads. It must be perfectly prepared. The largest axle requires synchronized lifting. Every centimeter is carefully controlled. The rear axle becomes one with the chassis. Every fastener meets strict engineering specifications. The heart of the mining truck is finally introduced. Every connection is inspected before installation. The engine weighs several tons. Lowering begins with millimeter precision. The engine is secured to vibration-isolating mounts. This protects both performance and durability. With the engine secured, the powertrain assembly continues. Next, the transmission and driveline will transform power into motion. The transmission is aligned with extreme precision. Even slight misalignment could shorten component life.
Each fastener is tightened to a precise specification. The complete powertrain now becomes one unit.
The drive shaft transfers power to the rear axle. Proper alignment minimizes vibration.
The hydraulic system powers the massive dump body. Every connection is leak tested during assembly.
Thousands of electrical connections are carefully protected. Reliable wiring is essential in harsh mining environments.
Bring it down slow, steady. Watch the alignment on this side. Roger that, coming down.
The cab is mechanically and electronically connected. Every control is tested before operation. The massive dump body finally enters production. It is built to survive years of mining abuse. 4 cranes work together as one. Every movement is carefully synchronized. The dump body pivots are permanently secured. These hinges support extraordinary loads. Hydraulic cylinders provide lifting power. They will raise hundreds of tons of material. Every system receives its operating fluids. Clean fluids protect every moving component. The engine comes to life for the first time. Every system is monitored in real time. Hydraulic performance is verified under pressure. Every connection must remain perfectly sealed. The massive mining tires finally enter the assembly line. Each tire is individually inspected before installation.
The final wheels complete the truck's stance. The mining giant can now support its own weight.
Every system undergoes one final inspection. Nothing leaves the factory without approval.
The first drive confirms months of skilled craftsmanship. Every system performs exactly as designed.
The world's largest mining truck is ready for service. Every detail reflects precision engineering. From raw steel to one of the world's most powerful mining machines, every stage demanded precision, skill,